Alright guys, this is my last try for the day. Every video I've tried to do has had some kind of problem. At the airport it was a combination of people, both in number and in volume. Once I got here to Italy, I had a problem with the microphones not having enough battery juice. So I have perfect videos with no sound, or I had a malfunction with the cover. The lens cover was half covering all the lenses. So that had sound, but no video. So this is my last attempt. So right now I'm walking down. I'm going to the Adriatic Sea, which is just down here. This is a very lively city, actually. There is a lot going on, including a lot of people. I don't know what you're supposed to do here, but I am just going to get run over, apparently. Okay, so what happened today? The original plan was to get to Pearson International Airport around 2 o'clock, get through security as quickly as we could, and send out a whole bunch of invitations to join the channel off LinkedIn and do some recording of videos. So when I got to the airport, I couldn't get past security until 4 o'clock. So that killed 2 hours because there was no place to sit and do actual work before security. So that ended rather abruptly. I got about 100 invitations sent out on LinkedIn, and then the computer died, battery, and the charging cable for my computer had been checked with my bags. So no videos got recorded earlier today. So this video is the first one to welcome you to the channel. We're gonna walk down here and see if we can see the Adriatic Sea. I'm gonna go swimming here probably later this week, in between races maybe. I don't know. We'll see how this works. But I want you to see the Adriatic Sea during the day. So the plan for tomorrow, I am heading to the shuttle bus at 8 o'clock with all my fellow bikers, and we're going to the track. We're going to spend the day there till around 5 o'clock, and then we come back to the hotel and see what's going on. Maybe we'll go for a swim then. And then Sunday, it's the actual race. Tomorrow's the sprint race and qualifying. Should be exciting. Should be Marc Marquez and Alex Marquez coming 1-2 again. Just like the last 7 weeks. Oh, we got a party going on at the Bounty bar, it looks like. So there's the beach. But you can't really see much. You'll see much tomorrow. All right, thank you for joining, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. As expected, there's a little bit of confusion trying to find the gate to get in. I hear motorcycles on the track. But I've been to one wrong gate already and they sent me away. Unfortunately, they didn't speak English. So I'm not sure where I'm going. So we're gonna keep walking around here. I'm continuing to walk. Parking is apparently a free-for-all. Park wherever you want. Every car is very small and there's a lot of motorcycles, as expected. Hopefully this gate they'll let me in. Let's see. Okay, I got in. Just gonna walk around for a little while. I hear bikes on the track, but I think they're Moto 3, so they're the slower bikes. These are Moto E over here, all electric bikes. So apparently I'm going under the track so that I can get to my stands. Came out of the tunnel. There's the track. So I think my seat's up here. So over across there are all the pits. So I think this is behind my stand. The racetrack goes right behind us. We're in seat J137. Spent the last 45 minutes trying to find a place to buy a t-shirt, and I think I might have found it. There's a whole bunch of tents up here, so I'm gonna go buy some t-shirts. All right, found what I was looking for. A Marc Marquez number 93 hat. Makes me look like I have hair. Anyways, I'm now gonna venture back to my seat. I think MotoGP are gonna be on in about 20 minutes, and I'll get you some of that footage. These are the big boys. Here they come. Qualifying is starting. So one of the main differences between Formula One and MotoGP is the bathroom situation. MotoGP, lots of porta potties. Formula One, nearly none. But there's none near my stands. I had to walk 15 minutes away to get to them. Whereas Formula One, you can walk 2 minutes and stand for 45. So I'm not really sure what's better. But these are certainly clean, and there's certainly lots of them.